It's Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. We're here in Fort Collins, Colorado. Had to do a dedicated 120 volt circuit line to a fire alarm system, and basically it was adjoined with one of the apartments, so when the tenant was tripping their breaker, it would trip the fire alarm and then signal the monitoring company to call out one of the maintenance guys to come out in the evening to try to figure out what was going on. So we just dedicated a line to this circuit. It was about a 80-foot run with about 850 foot of degrees and bends that we had to do. And the code talks about how you have to have it marked in red. So we went ahead and ran our conduit here, taped our wires, labeled it fire alarm for the breaker, and then as you can see we had to bring it down. This structure is probably about 100 years old, so it's kind of interesting trying to get everything to anchor and drill through the walls. But again, we came right through here and ran our conduit up, and then just dedicated it in here to our fire alarm panel. Again, real important, just that things are labeled, so if the fire marshal comes out, he sees that what circuit, what panel, and then where the panels are located. And that's it. So we do those odd commercial stuff like that. We don't deal with fire alarm systems, but we deal with the 120 volt side of it, trying to get power there and dedicate it. But we deal with conduit and things of that nature for our property managers. But thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week.